Greetings, financial adventurers, and welcome back to another insightful journey on our channel. If you're intrigued by the secrets of growing and preserving your hard-earned money, you've come to the right place. Today, we're delving into a topic that has the power to transform your financial future, harnessing the power of compounding to preserve and multiply your money. Before we deep dive into the heart of compounding, let me ask you a thought-provoking question. What if I told you that a small seed today has the potential to grow into a mighty financial oak tree in the future? Yes, we're talking about the magic of compounding, a force that has turned ordinary individuals into financial titans throughout history. So, are you ready to unravel the secrets and strategies behind this phenomenon? If your answer is yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for more valuable insights. Chapter 1: The Compounding Conundrum. In the inaugural chapter of our exploration into the realm of compounding, we unlock the door to a financial phenomenon that has reshaped destinies and built empires. Just as a single droplet creates ripples that span the entire surface of a pond, the concept of compounding generates a cascade of exponential growth that defies the boundaries of imagination. Imagine a world where your money earns not just on your initial investment, but on the earnings it accumulates over time. This is the core essence of compounding, an intricate dance between time and interest that can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. We dive deep into this mathematical marvel, dissecting its inner workings and unraveling the mysteries that underline its potency. From the tales of early investors who recognized the potential of exponential growth in companies like Amazon and Microsoft, to the compelling connection between compounding and the organic world, Chapter 1 sets the stage for a journey that will forever change the way you perceive your financial future. As we lay the foundation for understanding the mechanics of compounding, get ready to witness the intricate interplay between numbers, time, and foresight, a symphony that harmonizes to compose the grand orchestration of wealth multiplication. Chapter 2: The Mathematics of Wealth Multiplication. In the second chapter of our quest to demystify the enigma of compounding, we don the robes of mathematicians and delve into the intricate formulas that give birth to the financial magic. Brace yourselves for a journey through numbers, symbols, and equations that wield the power to shape your financial destiny. At the heart of this chapter lies the compound interest formula, P times 1 plus R divided by N raised to the NT. Unpack this equation, and you unlock the gateways to understanding how your investments burgeon over time. We break down each component, from the principal investment, P, to the annual interest rate, R, the compounding frequency, N, and the investment duration, T, to reveal the mechanics behind the growth. Through captivating visualizations and real-world scenarios, we showcase the transformative impact of tweaking these variables. Witness how a shift in interest rate, the choice of compounding frequency, and the length of your investment horizon can exponentially alter the trajectory of your financial success. As you immerse yourself in the mathematical ballet of compounding, a revelation emerges. Behind every dollar earned, there is a story woven by these numerical threads. Chapter 2 guides you into the heart of the formula, enabling you to wield the power of compounding as a master conductor orchestrates a symphony. Chapter 3: The Early Bird Advantage. In Chapter 3 of our Compounding Odyssey, we journey into the realm of time's greatest gift, the early bird advantage. Picture a canvas where two individuals embark on distinct paths, their stories woven by the thread of time, investment, and the power of compounding. Meet Alex and Zoe, our protagonist in this enlightening tale. Alex, wise beyond their years, starts investing $5,000 annually at the tender age of 25. Zoe, on the other hand, takes her first financial step at 35, contributing the same amount each year. As their stories unfold, prepare to witness the enchanting dance of compounding as it weaves its magic. Through visual storytelling and expert insights, we unveil a tale of exponential growth. Graphs come to life, charts sing the song of financial progress, and the stark difference in outcomes between Alex and Zoe becomes vividly apparent. Their narratives illustrate how compounding rewards the early, consistent investor, magnifying their contributions into a force to be reckoned with. As we explore the unique journey of each character, Chapter 3 delivers a vital lesson. Time is a non-renewable resource, and the earlier you embrace the world of investing, the more time compounding has to sculpt your financial destiny. Ready to discover why the early bird truly catches the financial worm? Join us as we unravel the tapestry of the early bird advantage and inspire you to seize the power of the present moment for a prosperous future. Chapter 4: Strategies for Maximizing Compounding. Welcome to Chapter 4, where we don our strategist hats and unveil a treasury of techniques designed to amplify the echoes of compounding symphony. Imagine your financial journey as a grand expedition, and these strategies are your guiding stars, leading you towards the shores of wealth and prosperity. Diversification takes the center stage as we lay the foundation for safeguarding your investments. Explore the art of spreading risk across various asset classes, akin to planting seeds in multiple soil types for a bountiful harvest. Dollar-cost averaging emerges as your shield against market volatility, allowing you to invest consistently over time, irrespective of market highs or lows. But the journey doesn't stop there. We navigate the treacherous waters of emotional investing, revealing how succumbing to market fluctuations can sabotage even the most prudent strategies. Discover how staying the course through market turbulence can be the key to unlocking the full potential of compounding. As we draw the curtains on this chapter, remember, the strategies unveiled here aren't mere theories, they're the blueprints for building a fortress around your financial dreams. Whether you're a novice or seasoned investor, Chapter 4 equips you with the tools to navigate the intricate labyrinth of investing, all while harnessing the incredible might of compounding. So, gear up to unveil your inner strategist as we set sail towards financial victory. Chapter 5: Compounding in Action. Real-life examples. Step into Chapter 5, where the realm of compounding transcends theory and becomes a living testament through the lives of real individuals. Journey with us as we walk in the footsteps of Sarah and John, two distinct narratives that paint a vivid portrait of how compounding can shape destinies. Meet Sarah, the embodiment of the early bird advantage. Through insightful interviews and captivating visuals, witness her journey from a young professional who recognized the power of compounding early on. As we unravel the tapestry of her life, you'll grasp how her small, consistent investments transformed into a resplendent tapestry of wealth over the years. Switch gears to John's story, where we explore the power of resilience and adaptation. Discover how John's realization of the compounding concept later in life became his driving force for a brighter financial future. As we delve into his unique circumstances, you'll find inspiration in his determination to harness compounding's potential, proving that it's never too late to embark on the path of wealth multiplication. Through Sarah and John's journeys, Chapter 5 uncovers the heartbeat of compounding's triumphs and challenges. Their stories are not just anecdotes, they are the blueprint for crafting your own narrative of financial success. Chapter 6: Compounding Beyond Investments. Welcome to the final chapter, where we explore compounding beyond investments. Believe it or not, the concept of compounding extends beyond your financial portfolio. Just as your money grows exponentially over time, so do your knowledge, skills, and experiences. By consistently investing in personal growth and education, you can unlock new opportunities and expand your horizons. And that concludes our expedition into the world of harnessing the power of compounding to preserve and multiply your money. We've unraveled the secret behind the growth of fortunes and the transformation of lives. Remember, your journey toward financial prosperity is a marathon, not a sprint.